Looking for a three-row SUV that hauls the family and hauls down the highway like a muscle car? You're going to want to stick around, because the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is back, and it's louder, faster, and wilder than ever. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. Let's dive in. Design. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat keeps that aggressive Dodge DNA front and center. A wide, sculpted hood with functional air intakes, bold LED lighting, and a stance that screams power. Dodge didn't mess with the formula too much, but they've refined it. The grille's more streamlined, and new wheel options give it a sharper, more modern edge. Performance. Under the hood? A 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 making a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower. 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. For a nearly 6,000-pound SUV, that's mind-blowing. The all-wheel drive system keeps things planted, and the active suspension adapts on the fly, so whether you're cruising or carving corners, it delivers. Features and tech. Inside, it's equal parts muscle and luxury. Premium leather, red accents, and a massive 12.3-inch Uconnect display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a new digital cluster and a premium 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, because when you're not listening to the supercharger, you'll want your playlist to sound perfect. Conclusion. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat is proof that practicality and insanity can coexist. If you liked this review, drop a comment below. Would you daily drive this beast? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more bold takes on the latest rides. See you in the next one.